We certainly didn't have a plan, but what we did have was 4 days. 4 days of sunshine, salt water, ocean breeze, biking, boating, playing in the sand.
You want to swim in there?
We did what felt right in that moment. Stay tuned and enjoy our adventure down to the Space Coast. And the best part of the whole trip? The surprise on my girl's face when we just showed up at the airport and they had no idea.
I am sure this is where the airport is. Are we going out to dinner here? I don't think so.
Well, guys, I hate to say it, but we're not going out to dinner. We're going to Florida! We're gonna go get on a plane!
I just can't believe it. We're above the clouds.
Where are we going, girls?
On a boat.
Boat time.
Boat time.
Amanda's upset that I didn't make her an egg. Boy. My dad has been chomping at the bit to take us down here on the boat.
Just in case.
We are in Fort Pierce, Florida, and the water down here was so blue. We heard they had some pretty awesome sandbars, and that's what we came here to explore.
The water is so green right now. I need a hat.
You looking to come out with us? Aside from a cruise ship, my girls have never made it out into the open ocean on a boat. So we decided that today was that day. As we were coming out of the inlet, the waves were a little bit bigger than we had thought they were going to be, causing some screams from the back of the cabin here. Nonetheless, as we sat there and I flew my drone high in the sky, we can officially say that we did it. We made it out into the open ocean. And although we didn't go far, we did it. I got to take my girls out, and it's something that I'll never forget. As we headed back through the inlet, our next mission was sandbar and steak tacos.
You want to swim in there? Yeah, you do? Plates?
We're going to the zoo. The nice thing about biking in Florida is that it's a relatively flat terrain. However, the wind really played a role in today's ride, and I can't tell you how grateful we were to have some horsepower behind our feet and power us on our way to go get some fresh poke.
All right, D nice. Yes, we are butterfly monitoring. That's. Hello, girls. He's got an itch, baby. Not too shabby. Most important part of the whole day.
It was a bit breezy on this ride down to Sebastian on this glorious day. Yeah, it didn't really matter where you sat in the boat, you're getting wet. The water was spraying everywhere, the wind was right in our face. One twin having the time of her life, the other holding on for dear life. After loading up on fish sticks and french fries, we got back in the boat, blasted the 80s music, and headed on home. You can't take a trip to the Space Coast and not visit the beach at least once. This is one of our favorite things to do down here. Give our girls the sand toys, plop in a lawn chair, get a few buckets of water, and they'll be busy for hours. After the beach, the best way to rinse off all that sand and salt water is to go jump in the pool. I've been jumping in this pool ever since I was a kid, and now my girls get to do the same thing.